Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you also coming across Roblox Error Code 273 on your system while playing and looking to get rid of it? If yes, then go through this video guide and follow the steps one by one. So what you need to do is first log out from Roblox. So first you go to your web browser, search for Roblox, log into it, and after that go to settings, then select security, and after that move down and click on log out of all devices. After that open settings on your browser, then click on privacy and security, then click on third party cookies, next see all data and permission, and here you need to search for Roblox. After searching it, simply delete the cache of it. Then you need to press Windows plus R. After that type %local app data % and then search for temp folder here. After that open it, then search for Roblox and simply delete it. This will clear the Roblox cache files. Once done, you need to restart your PC once. After that, check if the error is resolved or not. So by this way you can easily fix the Roblox error code 273 on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.